Hello, everybody in beginner clarinet class. It's me, Ms. Harris, and I'm here to give you your last lesson because band always ends at the end of May. So I know that you have one more week of school, but in band land, we are done at the end of May. And so this is our last band class, which makes me sad. And I really hope I'll see you again next year. I'll be there. So hopefully you'll join because when you do, you'll be intermediate clarinet class, and that will be great. So we have one more lesson. Today is something brand new. It's on page 8. So turn the page 8, and we're going to learn about two different things. We're going to learn about ties, and we're going to learn about 2/4. So if you look at the top of the page on page 8, you'll see 2/4. So, before we would always have 4 beats in a measure. Remember? All this time we've had 4 beats in a measure, but now all of a sudden we're going to only have 2. So, why do we have just 2 beats in a measure? It's because that means it needs to be played faster. So as you get better, you'll be playing faster. So if you look at the beginning of the line 1, you could see that it has right there. First, it says number 1. Then there's a treble clef. And then there's the 2/4 at the beginning of the line. That top number tells you there's only 2 beats in a measure. And as you can plainly see, there really are only 2 beats in a measure. So let's just say the names of the notes. It's going to be C, D, E, D, C, G, rest, A, rest, E, D, C. Repeat. Notice I did it a little faster too. And now I'm going to play it for you. Whoops, maybe I'm not. I got to wet my reed. Okay, here we go. 1, 2. Repeat. Were you able to do it? We're moving on. I'm not going to play the guitar right now. I'll play it for at the end. Number 2. Number 2 has something that we need to go over also, and it's this thing. That curvy line is called a tie. See, it says the word tie right there at the top of the page, tie. Okay, so a tie is when you tie 2 notes together. The notes have to have the same name. If we look at the notes that are tied in number 2, we could see that both notes are C. They're both C note, and one of the C notes is a half note, gets 2 beats. The other one is a half note, gets 2 beats. All together, it's going to get 4. So whenever we play this now, it's a different way to write a note that gets 4 beats. Oh no, it's kind of like in spelling when you have the word two and you could spell it T-O-O, or you could spell it T-W-O, or you could spell it T-O. Music, it's the same way. So when we play it, we just hold it out for 4 beats. Ready? We're not going over the names of the notes either. We're just, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2. Repeat. Isn't that interesting? Oh, did you see, by the way, the tie at the end was on an E note. Did you see that? Okay, now the last one we're going to do is number 3. It's a big long song because it's 2 lines long, and it has a tie in the first line on the note G, and that tie is going to get how many beats? 4. And then at the end of the second line, we have another tie. It's on the note C, and it's going to have a C half note and a C quarter note. A C half note gets 2, and a C quarter note gets 1, and altogether it's 3. And so that's how it's gone. That's how it's going. Ready? Let's just do it. This is using everything, by the way. Ties, the new note A, repeats, rests, brand new time signature 2/4, and it's called the 2/4 march. They use 2/4 a lot in marches. 1, 2, 1, 2, left, right, march, 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 march. It's kind of my military imitation. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Repeat. We go back to the very beginning. Here we go. Next line. So, you know that you can practice all of these videos now together. If you want, you have all the clarinet videos. They're not going anywhere. They're going to be there. Why don't you play them this summer? It'll be fun. If you like clarinet, then it would be fun. And I want to say that I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful summer, and that you have a great time with your family. And if you do go anywhere, then I know you'll be safe. We just keep on doing the same things we're doing, and we are all safe, as you can plainly see. I'm sure we'll see each other again. And have a good Shavuos, okay? Shavuos is tomorrow. Well, it starts tonight. So have a good Shavuos. And I hope that you like cheesecake. If you don't, maybe you like blintzes. And if you don't, then maybe you'll just have a glass of milk. Bye. Miss Harris is saying goodbye for now.